Hi guys, and welcome to Curious Way.
For centuries, people from different scientific or religious background tried to explain and understand the universe in the most convenient ways. Since 2500 BC, humans like Egyptians have aimed to understand the universe but failed. Until the 16th century, Isaac Newton had introduced the most of classical physics. Since the people had a lot of thoughts about matter and energy. Until the rise of revolution in the physics community by people like Einstein and Max Planck in the 20th century, who have explained a lot about the universe. Understanding relativity is the main concept when we speak about the universe. Relativity deduces the relation between space and time, which is called space-time. The idea can be explained by a great example induced by Albert Einstein. Now imagine at a train moving half the speed of light and suddenly two lightning hit the train at the same time. From an outside observer, since the two lightning has the same distance away from the observer, the light will arrive to him at the same time. For the inside observer, the train is moving towards the front lightning, the light from it will arrive to him first, so he will see that the lightning hit the front end and the back. That means that the two observers saw the same event in different arrangement. This example was introduced by the genius to show that when light takes place, our concepts of distance and time must change. So any observable body which is moving in a speed near to the speed of light, which is the limit of speed in the universe, all that the deformation of distance and time increases, and those two things which happen when you get near to the speed of light are called time dilation and length contraction. What a small idea, but it demonstrates the most of the observable universe. But still, the physics community needed other explanations about why atoms act so uncertain and how different atoms correspond. That idea was explained by the quantum theory, which we will talk about in the near future. Now let us go back and explain what people thought about the universe and reality. The human brain works for its own interest and knowledge. Beside, there is no complete explanation of the universe. Human brains tries to fill gaps and assume that it is true. For example, the idea of religion and belief in God was a great example, because religions was just about truth but there was no proof. But on the other hand, science was the most proof-based reality that explained the universe. But until now, people believe in their religions, and from here you can decide what is true. Is it just a matter of understanding the universe, or there is a greater power we should follow and obey? Like the famous quote, "In an infinite universe, anything that could be imagined might somewhere exist."